Hello again everyone, today we are going to take a look at the KBear Stellar. Let's check them out. And well, before we get started with the review of the KBear Stellar, as always guys, if you like my content, please consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. Also, if you have any kind of question, comment, feedback or whatever, leave a comment down below. I answer them all and also give you hearts. And also something that I forgot to mention, sorry, thanks to KeepHiFi for sending this for review. They are amazing. They send a lot of stuff for review, so thank you a lot. But with that being said, they aren't paying me or trying to influence what I'm saying in any way, shape or form. So all thoughts and opinions are my own. And also, if you'd like to support the channel, do it on Ko-fi here. I will have links in the description. It is a donation-based website, so you don't have to subscribe. So I will be posting there kind of mini reviews as well on my Instagram. So make sure to follow me. You don't have to pay to read my mini reviews and all of that. And with that out of the way, let's get started.
Why?
And well, as you could see from the unboxing, it is kind of a basic unboxing, let's say. You just get of course your carrying bag, which is really nice. It's really soft. You know, I wasn't expecting it, but it is really nice. Of course, you get the earbuds. You get spare earphones. I don't know what to call them, sorry, but yeah, you get a white pair and a black pair, and of course I have one black and one white because it looks nice. And also you get a short clip, which I lost. And well, now let's talk about the most important thing, which is audio quality. And well, let's start with the highs. The highs are, let's say, acceptable. They tend to be a little bit hot sometimes, in the sense that it's not shouty, but you know, there is a little bit of harshness going on. Mainly if you listen to your music in high volumes, you will notice that. But overall, detail and body are really nice. I mean, for earbuds, I wasn't expecting that level of detail. Let's say that cymbals feel not thin, but again, they kind of are a little bit in your face. Again, the highs are surprisingly good. I mean, considering how cheap these are, it is super nice quality. And now for the mids. And the mids are again super nice considering how cheap these are. And again, nice amount of body, nice amount of detail. Vocal positioning feels okay. They aren't in the back, but also they are in the front. I think they are in the middle. So yeah, the mids aren't recessed, but they also don't feel very forward. They are very clean. I was actually surprised with the quality of, well, how clear they are. I mean, it's not like they are, let's say, crystal clear or anything like that. So there is an overall work in the sound signature, and I think that the mids are kind of benefiting from that. They aren't super crystal clear, but they are really nice. But I would say that the mid bass has some little funkiness going on. It isn't the clearest, so bass guitar kind of feels a little bit, let's say, unnatural in tonality, but it's not something that I would consider a deal breaker. And now let's talk about the bass. The bass, it is surprisingly clean, you know. Again, this is a very warm sounding earbud, which I really like. Again, bass is very clean. It is present in the mix, which is something that I wasn't expecting because earbuds aren't known for the bass quality. But again, surprising. One thing that I noticed and that I think you guys should take into consideration is that these guys distort very easily, and the bass and treble suffer the most out of that. I was listening to, let's say, moderate volumes, but I had some quieter song, let's say, that need a little bit more volume. And when I cranked the volume up, I was able to notice a lot of distortion. I don't know if it is because unit variation or something like that, but yeah, if you, let's say, listen to 50% in your volume and you go past 65%, let's say, you are going to notice distortion even though the volume isn't very loud. Again, I don't know if it's, let's say, unit variation, but it's something that I was able to pick up. So overall, yet again, a warm sounding, fun, smooth earbud. It is really nice. If you don't like IEMs for whichever reason, these are, let's say, a very nice introduction to earbuds, because for earbuds I just know the BE Monks, I think they are called. There is another pair of very cheap earbuds which people say that they are the greatest, but again, I really don't rock earbuds because I like this isolation that IEMs provide. But these are surprising, honestly. These $5 earbuds sound much better than that some $30 IEMs that I tried, and that is saying a lot. Yes, these don't have removable cable, but come on, they sound stellar for the price. See what I did there? And now let's talk about build quality. So the build quality on the KBear Stellar is okay, I would say, for the price. Here you have your straight plug, which feels okay. Here you have a little bit of cable strain reliever, I don't know what to call it, sorry. Here you have this kind of thin feeling cable, but also feels kind of good quality. Here you come to your splitter or fork, whatever you want to call it, and the cable separates and again feels thin, but it doesn't feel like it could break easily. And here you come to the earbud, which is made out of all plastic. I picked the smoke black color, but I'm a sucker for, let's say, clear audio stuff. Let me remove the little foam kind of thing. And here you can see the head and the big old driver there, and your grill or whatever you want to call it. And that's it. It is a very simple build quality and non-removable cable, but it feels okay in quality. Let's say it's $5, so you know you can't ask for a removable MMCX connector or whatever. But I'm sure that some people will mod this to have MMCX or 2-pin connector or whatever. But yeah, build quality for $5, it is super nice. And also you get your carrying pouch, which feels super nice. I really like it. Here you have kind of a rug material on the inside, KBear, and super nice. One thing that I noticed with this is that it's going to get dirty very quick. But yeah, build quality, nice. So what about gaming? Oh my god, these are excellent for gaming. They just need a mic to be perfect for gaming. Soundstage is a little bit above average, and that depends on the fit on your ear. Imaging is really nice. Again, I can pinpoint kind of where an instrument is moving in the soundstage. Also, instrument separation, again, it is above average. I was able to discern between two guitars, let's say. These results may vary because these are kind of very fit dependent, but whatever. For gaming, they are excellent. Like, you can pinpoint where people are. They are fun. That's what I'm trying to say. They are fun. But they are fun and also they are precise. Talking about gaming, you can hear where people are coming from. You can hear where gunshots are coming from. Explosions and all of that aren't fatiguing at all. It's mind-blowing what you can get for so cheap. This is fun. This is great. And well, that will be pretty much it, guys. I don't know if this is going to be a short review or not, because this is a very simple, let's say, simple earbuds. Nothing super fancy. The unboxing was very simple, but they deliver. They are great. KBear really has something going on here. I wasn't expecting much because, come on, they are, again, $5, so, like, I don't know. but the sound quality is really nice, really nice, believe me. So if you're looking for a budget pair of, let's say, anything audio, start with this, or with the VMonks, but I haven't tried the VMonks, so I can tell. But these are nice because these are basic, these are kind of wide, the imaging is nice. It's a very smooth sound signature. It's not fatiguing. The highs are there. They are a little bit, let's say, extra crispy. The mids are okay, not the main star. It is an overall warm sounding earbud, so yeah, I recommend this 100%. And well, that will be again pretty much it, guys. If you like, if you are interested in getting this, I will have links to KeepHiFi AliExpress shop and their website, so you can get this because they were kind enough to send this for review. Again, thank you, KeepHiFi. And yeah, guys, if you like this video, please consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next review. Take care.